Hey everyone, long time no see. I have barely slept since I tripped on air and hurt my knee, and I was in the emergency room. I didn't even get to bleach my hair, and then my husband took vacation, and so in the wheelchair we were going to different places in Houston. Some of it was a dud, and some of it was actually pretty cool. Um, so I made sure I bleached my hair before I did today's video. Today's Friday. I have to go do groceries anyway. So, you know, might as well do this. I really want to do this because I hadn't done a video in I don't know, like 2.5 weeks or something. Anyway, I got my Monday feels, and since I'm not feeling that great, I've been going through changes, man. I'm doing the neutral one, the Monday feels. I'm not going to use the sponge. It is color changing. The last time they did a color changing sponge, you just like squeezed it with your hand, and the heat from your fingers changed the colors. But that's not working with this one. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but I guess if you put it in hot water, it'll change. So, I will definitely be using it, but I'm just not going to use it today. Try to keep it as fresh as long as possible. I'm just putting on some RSVP, kind of warming it in my fingers, and put that on first. I just kind of squeeze it between my fingers, so I'm putting it in like this. I think I'm gonna go with this like taupey color right here. I love my taupes. So I have been feeling like crap because of this pain in my knee. I have not barely slept. Dang it. It's all over my face now. So I really wanted to find the blue and red and green palettes from Dollar Tree, but I've just not been feeling well, so that's out. I think I'm gonna use these rosy colors in the palette. Probably start with this pink as a transition color. So it's very disappointing. The only place that I have been mustering up the energy is for Dollar General to get a few things, and I haven't even been like hitting all the Dollar Generals. I just hit one or two, and I found almost everything I was looking for. All right, I'm gonna try this this like rosy brown color right there for the crease. I just just barely touched it. So what I was looking for was some brushes. I was looking for some nail stuff too, but I just I'll get to that when I get to that. So I put that dark color, but I am still like blending it out. Sorry if I'm blending it out. I can't move around a lot because of my knee, so I'm just trying to, not move around too much. So I just did, right away, just did what I did with the camera, and so yeah. I'm just trying to work with it. So for the highlight, I'm going to use this beige right here. The brow bone color. This is a pretty palette. You can do a smoky or like a nude color. It's a pretty palette. Just put that there. Forgot to do my brow. I'll get it done before I before I finish. Let's put that there. Let's put that there. And then I'm going to take this pretty white or creamy frosty color for the inner corner. Oh my goodness, I barely touched it and it like crumbled. Colors are pretty, but this just spilled all over me. Oh my goodness. Alright, this will help to open up that area with my deep set eyes. I just really love taupes. Okay. Oh my goodness. Okay, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone. So this is the finished look. This is, some of these shadows are super soft and break easily, but I did use the same color for my inner corner and for the inner corner of the bottom of the lash as well. I didn't think this blush would show up on me, but it did. The Monday Feels, it looks very, very nudish pink, but it did. So this is cannabis infused because there are different parts of the marijuana plant that do different things. So as long as it doesn't have TCB, from what I understand, you can use it. So that's infused with that, and it smells like coffee, so it smells really good. So I did that with the blush, the lip oil, the nudish pink lip gloss, and then the nudish pink lip liner. So that's what I did with that.